Hello mga momshies or soon to be momshies. Welcome back to K Lifestyle channel. And again, this is your girl Crystal. So for this one, I'm going to tell you the one secret. The one thing that you should do to keep your sanity as a mom. So I myself is a first-time mom. I gave birth noong December. And really, it's hard. It's a big adjustment. Dahil, syempre, I'm just winging it. Pero, awa ng Diyos, okay naman. Surviving tayo. Okay naman tayo. Very lucky because my baby girl, Amara, she's been a very good sleeper since day one. Knock on wood, sana naman hindi magbago yan. And, so yeah, let's get on it kung ano ba talaga yung bagay na ginagawa ako to keep me sane. Okay, so that one is really nag-change ako ng clothes sa umaga. Like, bago ako lumabas ng kwarto namin, nagtutoothbrush na ako, hilamos, change ng underwear, change ng clothes, and I will put a bit of makeup on as well. As if pupunta ka ng shopping center or ng SM, kung nandiyan ako sa Philippines, or Robinsons. Kahit na nandito lang naman ako sa bahay at mag-aalaga lang naman ako ng anak ko. Pero guys, okay, the night before, ako nagsha-shower usually kasi sa gabi, pag nakatulog na si Amara, dire-diretso na yon. So, usually natutulog na siya from 6 p.m. And then, I'll feed her next on 12 midnight. So, mas set yung time na alam kong free ako from Amara, from my baby. So, dun ako naligo kasi in the morning, mabilisan lang talaga guys kasi very demanding ang baby. Pag umiyak na, naloloka na yung mommy. So, of course, I try to attend to her as soon as I can. So, that's why I do my ligo part at nighttime when she's for sure asleep. And then at daytime, I just do a quick hilamos, moisturizer, naglagay ng konting makeup, bihis, and that's it. I can do all of those things in less than 10 minutes. Na hilamos, toothbrush, change underwear, and then bihis. So yun, kasi it really helps with the mindset na pag maayos yung itsura mo, komportable ka, well moisturized yung skin mo, mukha kang disente, it makes a big difference on the day. Kasi there was a time before na, alam mo yon, tamad-tamad yung lola mo. So, yung free time na yon, instead na gawin ko yung dapat kong gawin, wala, cellphone yung lola mo. And, just girl, there was a time talaga na parang hindi pa ako nag-toothbrush all day. And nakapajama pa rin ako all day. Kung ano yung suot ko, last night, yun pa rin yung suot ko, papalit na lang ulit ng bagong pajama. Which is, doesn't really feel very nice. So, I make an effort for myself na gawin yun, to refresh myself early in the morning, to dress up just so as well, kapag I feel like to go out, to go to the shops, just to have a bit of a walk around, do a bit of window shopping. Ready na ako. Si Amara na lang ready ko, which is mas mabilis lang, 'di ba? Rather than isipin mo kapag kunyari hindi ka man lang nakapagsuklay, hindi ka man lang nakapaghilamos, yung suot mo ganun pa rin, it drains your energy and it doesn't give you a good state of being, like mentally, emotionally, and then when you look at yourself physically as well. So, yun ang pamapapayo ko sa inyo mga momshies. Prepare yourself as if you're going to the shops, even though you're just gonna be staying at home feeding your baby, burping your baby, and yeah. Because kung ano yung, very important, na kung ano yung energy na nafe-feel natin as a mother, we transmit it to our baby. And so if we don't feel good about ourselves, then what sort of energy will we be, transmitting to our babies? So always, put an effort to yourself to make yourself feel good. And yeah, kasi 'di ba nga kung ano yung meron tayo, that's all that we can give. So kung yung sarili natin hindi natin masyadong ma-look after, then what else can we give? So prioritize yourself, mga mamshies. Prioritize your well-being, because what we are is what we share and transmit to our babies. And that's all. If you can, lalo na pag mainit, maligo ka on the day. Pero kung hindi naman, okay lang naman na gawin mo yun the night before. But very important that on the actual day, bihis ka. Bihis ka ng pang-alis, bihis ka ng magandang pambahay. Basta umalis ka sa pantulog na damit mo, okay? I'll see you in the next vlog. Yun lang! Bye!